going from a startup to a scale up. Like, you need to have your shit organized. You want the SoMe manager to have their own account. You want the other person to have their own account. It became too much for a person to handle. So it's nice to have a system.
It is very quick. From decision from the customer, it's the same day or the day after. Also that it's connected with upsales. So it really doesn't take any more time for us to administrate.
I find it very time saving. It's in the system. I know where it is. We look more professional. It's more time. We're in 22. We don't do paperwork anymore.